Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah. Today I have my beautiful model. Her name is Iboku. How are you, girl?
I'm doing fabulous.
Yes. Are you excited to get popping?
Very excited.
You know how we do it on this channel? We're going to be doing hair and makeup transformation. I've used MILISA hair before. Beautiful hair. Their hair is always beautiful. The texture is always amazing. The frontal wig. Very beautiful. Link is down below. Okay, so we're going to start the hair transformation process. I'm going to, first of all, maybe tint the lace. That's it. L'Oreal Magical Touch. Yeah. Apply a little bit of got to be on the edges and cut the excess lace. So.
Done it. Yeah. Or like curling it if I've got an event or something. I can do that.
Okay.
I did like the eye shadow. I was like, wow, I was really taken.
I'm gonna apply foundation just to blend the scalp and the wig cap. Guys, we're gonna apply the wig now. Ta-da! So let's. I think it might work. Cause look,
Yeah.
we're gonna cut the excess. This is nice. What do you
Yeah.
think?
I like it.
Girl, hello. Lucky. But how is it gonna look?
Yeah.
Does
if
it
you,
look
if you
neat?
have it in for like a
Thank
week
you.
or so, it's not
Does
going
it
to
look
look as nice
neat?
the first time that you do it.
I'll start from here. Let me start there. So when I place it here, so I'll let you hold here. Yeah. Very flat. Just I don't know, something clean. So now it's time for us to do the baby hair. Because the baby hair, they will set it. I like it already. Even without the baby hair, it's something that can work.
Yeah.
So now we're going to apply the mousse. I'll start with the back first of all.
But yeah, I made it. The Uber driver that dropped me like cornered the bus. Yeah, he cornered the bus and it was like, he's like, yeah, just try and run and get on it. So I ran and the bus driver was so.
Oh my God. Yeah. Wow. Guys, I'm going to tie it now and we're going to do the makeup. So now I'm going to do the brows. I think it's nice. Yeah. This is 4:30. Let me do like Instagram girls. This is how they do. This is how they do on Instagram. They do this.
Put as much as they can.
Yeah. Wow. 4:30.
So
Oh my God.
I mean,
like that.
it works. I like
Yeah.
it.
Black is still the winner.
That's what I started with.
Yeah.
And then I moved to Lancome.
But they don't still have powder.
And they don't have powder in Lancome.
Because the foundation is dark, a little bit darker. So this is why I like to use the lighter concealer.
They don't have textured skin like we do.
Yeah. So they can get away with it without even applying powder. So I'm going one shade down with the powder when I'm setting.
So one shade
Down from the foundation.
from the foundation.
And this is how I get to get the custom color for people. So if you close your eyes. Wow, let's see you. Oh.
Okay, thank you. She cute.
She just got married, you know.
Yeah, she just got married. I saw her on Instagram.
Yep. MAC palettes.
Last time I tried it, I just thought it looked silly, and I just didn't know how to do it well. And my friends, right? I've got a friend. She literally does the whole shebang whenever we're going out doing. My makeup is very quick. Literally, foundation,
Oh my
lipstick,
God.
brows. That's it.
That's it. So yeah, this is Urban Decay electric palette. It's very electric, see? That's the shadows done. As you can tell, my girl is laying already. Now we're gonna do the lashes. This lashes is from eBay. Ooh. Yes, eBay has got some good lashes.
I like it too. I love it. I don't even like it. I love it.
Very nice. Something different as well. Blending out, mineralized skin finish. I like to use mineral powder to blend out.
Right. See mine.
You know, girl. Use the actual one. Mark 55, guys, to contouring. You open? Yes, girl.
Thank you. You shower me with compliments.
Okay, so let's highlight the face now. So
I'm
as
so
usual, there's something I like to do, even when I spray, after the makeup application, I like to go back with the brow wax, you know, the one I used before. I'm trying to be nice to you, apply a little bit of glow.
Oh.
That's when you spend a lot. Like today, you spend a lot. Come on. Because you paid extra. So next time,
Give you that glow.
yeah. If you don't pay,
Collarbone.
you not pay more, I'm not doing this. This is just because you spend a lot.
Oh God.
I think let's come down one forwards. Guys, remember this hair is from Melissa Hair, so I'm going to put the link to Melissa Hair in the description box, okay? Check them out as usual. I've used Melissa Hair before, so now I'm going to cut a little bit because I don't really want the front to be long, so let's just come to none. I forgot about my straightener. How the round edges.
Out there is chilled, like you don't, no trouble. You know, well, let's not speak too fast, but yeah, I've been there like.
But sometimes they are trouble, like smooth, like a little bit.
Maybe when I was in uni
White
then.
people,
Oh yeah,
when
yeah.
they do
Yeah, see, but the only is that black people around there don't give anybody any ag. They're just very chilled. Yeah, I like it. I just like because it's like quiet and stuff, and it's pretty as well. A lot of greenery.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, because they have more land there, innit?
Yeah.
Sainsbury's,
Yeah, we've got the Sainsbury's. We've got, you know, the area is going to become more expensive now because they're doing a lot of
primary schools on the area as well.
So many schools. They're changing up. You know, all the council flats around there. They're taking them down and they're going to redesign all of them.
That's cool.
So
I think that one is dead, Bella.
Oh, I didn't know.
See the battery. Yeah.
do you know what's going to happen?
Yeah.
They're going to start having coffee shops around Abbey Road.
Do they have coffee shops? Let's try to take that out because the guys is more of a body than tight guys. Yes, please. I think let's turn it off. So let's take all of this away. Okay.
You sure you don't want the music in the
You
background?
know. So if you bend your hair, so we can now cut. Like so. Yeah. Oops. Yes, here comes the bride. Here comes the bride. Wow, guys. That is popping. Look at that. Wow. Yo, you slayed. Oh, wow. Sleek. Proper. Like. Even be more better. Yeah. Okay. Let me try to blend your nose just a little bit because I think the highlight I did makes it even pop more. So blend it out more. So guys, that's the end of today's video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and check Melissa Hair out. Beautiful hair. My girls slayed as per usual. They always slay, you know that? Yes. Yes, so guys, link to Melissa Hair is in the description box. Please do not message me asking where is the hair from. Link is down below. As you can tell, beautiful hair. I'm gonna let my girl say something. What do you think about your look? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Tell them the truth though. Yeah.
I love it. It looks fabulous. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you, girl. Thank you for coming.
And I'm in love with this look. Like,
Aww.
this is just amazing.
Oh, thanks, babe.
I'm going to be blinking like this. Like, I'm trying like, hi.
You know, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh. Okay, guys. Bye. Mwah.